Hello my friends, you all are welcome to Future World Kids Education channel. Before we start our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. My friends, today we will learn capital letter V and its sound V must follow the directions and lip movement. My friends, let's start. V says V. V says V. Follow the lip movement. V says V. V says V. V says V. V. Van. V. Van. V says V. Repeat after me. Yes. V says V. Very good. Once again say V says V. V. Van. V. Van. V says V. Van. Capital letter is V and its sound is V. V. Repeat after me, my friends. V. V. Van. V. Van. Repeat after me. V. V. Once again say V. Van. V. Van. V. Van. Once again repeat. V. Van. V. Van. Thanks for watching this video.